Hey, what's up, my YouTube fam? I'm back. This is Larry with Advanced Loan Credit Services here. We educate, we restore, and build your credit. Here at Advanced Loan, what we want to do is teach you how to leverage your credit, how to build your wealth, and how to invest in yourself. That's what's so important. And that's what we do here. All about trying to move those negative items off, show you how to increase your credit score so you can use your credit score to increase your wealth. Credit is the access to money. Money will help you grow your wealth. When you eliminate yourself from the access to money, you eliminate yourself from being able to grow your wealth. But that's what we do here at Advanced Loan Credit Services. But today we want to talk about Santander and some court documents that I scrounged up, looked up on Google, and really researched, got into a court case, and we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about that court case and some of the things that are in that the court documents that you may be able to use. You may be able to use to get those nasty charge-offs off your credit report. So stay tuned. They're going to hit the intro. All right, let's get into the Santander information that I pulled up for y'all. So the description is in the link. I just want to talk about some more information about Santander, court documents that I pulled up that you can get to, that you can download, that you can print off. I want to talk about maybe how you can use these court documents to get some paid charge-offs removed off of your credit report. Now, I'm saying paid charge-offs. Now, you could try it with a regular charge-off, but I'm more definite that if you probably have a paid charge-off, you have a good chance of probably getting it removed off your credit report with these court documents, and I'm going to talk about how you can do that. So just a little bit more information. I know a lot of people want to know about all the states, who is going to be getting how much money in what state. I looked it up. I found it. Again, the information is in the description. The link is in the description for you to go to. So let's just talk a little bit about that. So some of the states that's getting the biggest amount of money, California is number one. They're getting the most. They're getting approximately $99 million to take care of their consumers in their state. The next biggest state is going to be New York. New York is going to get the second biggest amount with 27 million. The next one is Pennsylvania. They're going to be getting 14.7 million. After Pennsylvania is Florida. They're getting 7.7 million. New Jersey's getting 3.1 million. And Connecticut is getting $391,222 of that settlement money. Santander, man, they ain't no joke. And I was just thinking, like, they're based out of Texas, and Texas didn't even get in it. Make you want to say, what's really going on? Why didn't Texas get in it? And they're based out of Texas, out of that Dallas-Fort Worth area, and they didn't get involved. And it just makes you think, like, what's really going on? Why Texas didn't? Is it something with the, money under the table going on that the state attorney general just turned a blind eye, knowing that they are definitely probably using those predatory practices there in Texas? But it just makes you want to think about it and say, But anyway, I definitely want to talk about, so how do you get to the court documents? That's what people want to know. How do you get to this court document? So on the link that's in the description, you hit that link, it's going to take you to the website. And in that website, scroll down, you're going to see these dark blue letters say $550 million settlement. And what you're going to do is you're going to click that and it's going to take you straight to the court documents. Now, these court documents are from Connecticut, Hartford, but a lot of different state attorney generals were involved in this. So this may be a court document that you can use no matter where you're from, because this was a 33 state class action lawsuit. So it's not, even though it may have been submitted in Connecticut, doesn't mean that will not apply to people in the states that are a part of the 34 state settlement with Santander. So just understand that. So there is some paragraphs that I think that are really important that may help you get some charge-offs off of paid charge-offs, I should say, off of your credit report. And I'm just going to stroll down, talk a little bit about them. My main thing is getting you this information and then kind of telling you what I would do as somebody that works on credit to see if I could get this removed off of my charge-off, off of my credit report. So, so the first paragraph we're going to talk about is paragraph 11. I think it's really good. Write that down. Look for paragraph 11 on the documents and use that. I would highlight it. And I'm going to talk about a dispute letter toward the end of the video on what I would do and how I would put together a dispute letter just to see if I could get this removed off of my credit report. So in this section 11, it just talks about Santander shall provide additional consumer relief as follows. A couple of them are Santander shall not repossess and instead shall provide the title to the vehicles and waive the outstanding loan balance for all consumers who have had less forecasting scores of 401. Don't know what the forecasting score is, but those are people that had these low scores, whatever the forecasting score is. I can't really speak on that because I really don't know what it is. And it says, or less as of December 31, 2019. And if you really start looking in these court documents, it really looked like it's geared toward people that took out a loan. They defaulted on their loan within the first 12 months, and they had a forecasting score of 4.1. That's what it seems like. A lot of it is detailed. When you start really getting into it, you start reading the documents, that's what it looked like. It doesn't look like it's just geared because you had a high interest loan. It looked like it's geared to a specific group of people that had really low scores. Their debt ratio was a clear indication that they could not afford the car, and there were documents that were forged to get them in a car, and they got a car, they couldn't afford it, they defaulted. That's what it really looks like when you start really reading into this court documents. Another paragraph you may want to look at that may help you is paragraph 12, where it says Santander shall waive the deficiency of the loan it owns and the mandatory relief for consumers to the extent not included. And it just goes into defaulted consumers who have lost forecasting scores of 401 or less at the time of origination, meaning the time that they took out that loan, and who defaulted within 12 months of the origination of the loan. So that's why I say if you start reading this document, it really starts just talking about, seem like it's geared to a specific group of people. But it's really long. That paragraph 12 is really long, talks about a lot of things. And I think it's really geared more for the customers who defaulted on their loan, And then I think the main one that most people is paragraph 16, where it says Santander agrees to provide notice to each credit reporting agency in which Santander reports and requesting the deletion of the trade line associated with the amount of the deficiency relief waiver. So I think 16 is good. And reason I say that is because if there is a charge off That means it's paid. So the credit bureaus may think that they automatically has eliminated that debt. Did you hear me? May assume that they had eliminated that debt, and by you sending in this court documents, maybe help them say it's paid. Let's just go ahead and remove it off our credit report, so we don't have any other lawsuits or anything that could be happening against us. So I think 16 is a very strong thing. So on the court documents, I wouldn't send them all 24 pages. Highlight the specific page 11, 12, 16, and then I would put together a dispute letter disputing this charge y'all should have been removed based on the court documents that I am presenting to you. That's how I would word my dispute letter. Based on the information, this account, the deficiency waiver has been cleared and should be removed off of my credit report. You can use different terminologies, but the main thing is you want to talk about how the balance has been relieved and that this should have been removed off of my credit report, and I am providing you court documents in section paragraph 16 that this deficiency waiver should have been removed. So that's how I would describe the dispute letter, and I would send it in to all three. Some people, I don't do online. I never dispute online. Online, you lose some of the rights. For one, for two, it's hard to really, it doesn't give you clear definitions on what you're trying to dispute. They give you their own sections, and then it's hard to figure out. So you pick one of those sections, and then it comes back verified, but it really wasn't what you were trying to say. So that's why I always send in a dispute letter to be precise, accurate, and detailed about what I am actually disputing. So never dispute. And they have that section on not mine. I don't dispute not mine because what if the name is wrong? What if your name is on there and it's physically wrong? Then they're going to come back and say it's your account. So you want to get more detailed in what you're trying to dispute, not just your name, because you want to dispute other errors to make sure everything is matching up, accordingly. So I just want to give a little information. I think it's important that if you have a charge off and it's paid off, use this court document. The first page, get to this page. Don't send in 24 pages. It's going to be confusing, and they're not going to get you send in the front page, and then the page you send in, make sure you highlight it, send in the original, send in your dispute letter, and let them know, hey, this account, the deficiency waiver has been eliminated, and based on court document, this account should be removed off of my credit report. That's what you need to do. So just some little information. Like I said, it's all about strategies. All about strategies. All right. So anyway, hey, this is Larry with Advanced Loan Credit Services. Hey, please subscribe to the channel. Like I said, I'm getting ready to go and do a series on how to dispute items, collection accounts, off your credit report. So it's going to be a detailed, broke down, what are the weaknesses of the debt collection companies, how you can go after those weaknesses to help you remove items. Listen, I also have a master dispute package that you can pick up. It has affidavits, all the letters, it has information to help you dispute negative items off your credit report. $50 charge. That's all it is. It's tons of information. You have some manuals in there that help you. The Fair Credit Reporting Act manual, which is free. The Credit Resource Guide, which is free. Some Metro 2 information that is to let you know how credit, especially collection agencies, are supposed to be reporting stuff on your credit report. A lot of good information. Hey, it's all about, getting those negative items off, building your credit, and getting the tools. It's nothing to that. It's a lot of information. And on top of that, I created a Facebook group. So there is a support for you. You can come on and if you buy the package, you can join the group. The group name is in the package. You could ask any question. It gives you a platform to be able to talk, ask questions, me replying, telling you what you have to do, and be your support, be your guide in helping you fix your credit, grow your credit. Right? That's a small investment for you to do. And I'm giving you a platform. I'm not giving you something and then just run off and you never hear from me again. I'm giving you something and giving a platform. I am trying to do something different to help people build and give a platform. Nobody does that. And give a platform for you to ask questions. Hey, Larry with Advanced Loan Credit Services, I'm getting ready to dispute this account. What should I do? Hey, boom, this is what you should do. Hey, even if you buy this package and I do update letters, you will automatically, and when I add an update letter to this package, you will automatically, lifetime member, get the updates on the package. You will get the update letters. If I update a letter because I give new information, something changes, I add it to the package, you get the updates. You get the updates automatically. Because when I add it, it's going to ask me, do you want to send this out to all your members? Yes. And then you get it. So, hey, here, we're just trying to build your credit. Because I'm telling you, it'll change your life. I have a video I put in the description of me and my wife and how this is what got me into this. This is what got me into saying, now I want to help other people. I want to truly help other people. Right. So this is what got me into doing this. And I could tell it changed my life. I mean, literally in 24 months. And I'm keeping it real with you. 24 months totally changed everything. Totally changed finances, how I deal with money, investing, how I'm investing. I mean, just totally just changed. So and the people I've worked with, my clients, they actually see now their credit has improved, how their financial situation has changed. So it's really all about that. It's really all about understanding that credit is the foundation, man. Because even if you're trying to open up a business, they're going to run your personal credit. If your personal credit is jacked up, you can't get no kind of lending. You can't get any kind of lines of credit. All that comes back on what is your personal credit. So you're stuck. So that's the foundation. You clear the path when you clear those negative items off your credit report and you open up a new area of growth financially. So, hey, that's my little spiel. This is Advanced Loan Credit Services. Hey, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell for notifications. All about giving you real information to help you grow your financial wealth, help you build your credit, help you leverage your credit, and do all the things that grow. And that's what it's all about here. I appreciate your time spending with me. Hopefully this information helped you out. Hey, leave a comment. Let me know, especially if it goes out and it works. Please leave a comment so other people will get it. Other people will take action. But it's a good thing to do. Those are the paragraphs. I gave you the link to get to the court documents. And hey, this is Larry with Advanced Loan Credit Services on a beautiful Saturday. This is June the 20th. So if y'all want to know when I did this video, June the 20th. So it ain't no old video. It's new and active. I'm about to put it on. Hey, I appreciate you hanging out. Thank you very much.